Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from the United States. What's inside? Let's find out. Alright. So a company reached out to me recently about a topping that they had developed and asked me if I'd like to try it, and I said with a resounding yes, and they sent it over, and here's what it looks like. See this? This is Maymai garlic and onion seasoning mix. Blend, whatever you want to call it. Holy freaking God, man, this stuff is good. I'm addicted. So, I'll tell you a little story. I did an unboxing already of this. Why am I doing another one? Because I deleted all the video from the one that I was doing before, so we're doing a new unboxing. How do you do that, you might ask? Well, I still had the box, so I went ahead and redid it. But in the meantime, I've tried this quite a few times. I tried it just a little pinch. Yeah, it's really good. Tried it on curry. That was really good. And somebody here had mac and cheese, and there was some left over. And I thought, I'll give it a try. It was cold. I don't usually eat cold mac and cheese, not my grind. But I put a little bit of it on it. Dude, really good. And so it's like fried garlic, fried onion, and a little bit of spicy stuff going on in there. And it is wonderful. If you like, say, like mee goreng, and you like the onion that goes on top of it, screw that, get this. If you like mac and cheese, screw that, get this. I mean, I'm serious. The last thing that I had that really was something I wanted to evangelize like this was Lao Gan Ma Chili Crisp. And that's saying something, because that stuff, when I happened upon that, it blew my mind. This is in the same boat. I really, really like this. So there's this one, and there's this one too, and I haven't tried this one. I think this is the milder version, and the other one is just a little bit spicier. If you can't handle any heat at all, you would want this one. If you like a little bit of the heat, you know, you can handle just a skosh, if I may. The other one might be the ticket for you. So yeah, that's all I got to say about these. You can find them on Amazon. I'll include a link, and you'll be seeing them being used in reviews that I do of instant noodles very soon. I'm already doing it on ones because I've already opened it. Yeah, I shot the video for this unboxing like last week, and then I realized I shoot video, and then I have some videos, and then I copy them over. I was like, oh, there's an extra one here. That has nothing to do with what I'm doing. Delete. And then I realized, like, later that day, I think that was like Thursday, it's like, oh, I deleted the unboxing. Great. But now I've had even more experience utilizing this, and yeah. By the way, I will officially announce that I am starting a Amazon store. I don't sell things. I just recommend things. So it'll be a thing, an Amazon storefront that's just all stuff that I recommend. So you'll be able to find this. There'll be a section just for garnishes and toppings. This is already set up in that. I don't know how quickly that'll actually come out, but I'll let you know soon. And yeah, good time. Anyways, thanks to Maymai for sending this over, and yeah, get some of this. It's really good. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your garnishes. Have a good one. Bye.